Hey, are you still waiting to jump into cryptocurrency? Or maybe you are overwhelmed and don't know where to start? Well, stop procrastinating. 2025 is your year to get ahead in crypto while the market is evolving fast. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step roadmap to start investing in crypto confidently, even if you are a complete beginner. So grab your coffee and stick around because you don't want to miss it. Before we dive in, one thing, let me clarify. I may be a small YouTuber, but when I give information, I'll give you authentic and pure. This video won't promise you overnight riches or hype up unrealistic gains. I'm giving you solid, actionable steps, understand and invest in cryptocurrencies safely and strategically. Trust me, the crypto space in 2025 is very different from what it was in 2021 or even 2022. Regulations are tighter, technology is smarter, and we need new strategy. Let's start with the basics. Now the question is, why crypto is still relevant in 2025? First up, why should you even consider crypto in 2025? Well, here's the real deal. Crypto is evolving beyond just speculative investment. Decentralized finance, blockchain-based gaming, tokenized real estate, and even AI-powered NFTs, and redefining traditional industries. Plus, with major institutions, BlackRock, Fidelity, and even central banks jumping in, crypto isn't just a trend. It's become a part of the mainstream financial system. Timing matters, and 2025 is the sweet spot for beginners. Now, I'm gonna give you 4 steps to begin cryptocurrency. Crypto Invest 2025. Step 1. Understanding the basics. Let's simplify crypto. Its core, cryptocurrencies are digital money. Bitcoin is the OG, like gold and digital real. Great for value storage. Then you have Ethereum. Think of it as the foundation for apps and treasury, decentralized finance and NFTs. Other altcoins, they build upon Bitcoin and Ethereum to solve a specific problem. Don't get overwhelmed. You don't need to know every coin. Focus on the peak players first. Research platforms like CoinMaker or rankings. Step 2. Start with regulated platforms. In 2025, regulation are stricter to protect investor, which is the great news for beginners. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken are still trusted globally, but there is a key. Always verify if the problem is licensed in your country, because some exchanges are restricted now. Oh, and PS self-custody is huge. Tools like Ledger or MetaMask ensure you control your funds, not exchange. Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying isn't about just buzzword. It's survival in crypto. Start by putting 50% into Bitcoin, the safest bet, like the blue chip stock of crypto, 30% into Ethereum for exposure to all the amazing apps and service being built on its blockchain, 20% into altcoin project you believe in, like Polygon, Matic for scalability, or Chain Link for smart contracts, but not financial advice. Stay clear of meme coins unless you know the risk. Step 4. Long-term versus short-term strategy. Let's talk goals. If you're newbie, think long-term. Why? Short-term trading is risky and requires technical skills. Use dollar cost averaging. Buy small amount at regular intervals so you can average out price fluctuations. Have an exact plan whether that's tweaks gains or selling during certain market trends. Know you and game before you begin. Part 3. Common mistake to avoid: FOMO and panic selling. Fear of missing out or selling when your portfolio drops 10% in a day. That's how you lose money. Instead, focus on long-term trends. And there you go. Starting with crypto in 2025 doesn't have to intimidate. Remember, start small, stay informed, and don't let hype decide your decisions. I will make more beginner-friendly crypto guide, so don't miss out. And if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe my channel because I need some subscriber to monetize my channel, so don't miss out. Also, let me know which coin are you interested. So drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thought. Until next time, keep learning and happy investing.